Hi, Mrs Hedley here. So this is an assembly going out to year 9. Although I am in the unique position where I'm the head of year for 2 years because currently year 11 is still with us. So I will be sending a message to them later. Anyway, the point to this is a kind of a mini assembly, guys, just to say hello, just to show, to kind of show you who I am if you don't know who I am, and also for parents and carers to show who I am as well. We'll just pass over to Mr Nigel, who's our student manager.
Hi, Year 9. It's just wanted to hope that you and your families are well, and basically say that hopefully we'll see and speak to you soon. Okay, thank you.
All right, keeping our 2 meters distance, everybody. So, yes, just to let you know how excited we are to take you through into year 10, and in fact take you through the rest of your Netherwood journey. Myself and Mr Nigel are experienced year team people, and we're really looking forward to it, so I hope you are too. Hi, Year 9. Sorry, it was a bit of a pause there. You can't get the staff, can you, to make the correct fill? Anyway, moving on. So this week I asked members of staff to send me some emails about some top students, so I'm going to go through them. There's quite a lot, so that makes me feel really happy inside, because that's saying this year group, we've got some really good students out there who are doing the work, putting their effort in, so well done you guys. Right, so first of all, as I'm an English teacher, no bias there, I'm going to start with English, and I've got some particular names: Hannah T, Sam R, Harry K, Danny B, Enya J, Freya M and Robin C. Well done you guys for apparently some wonderful creative writing work and just putting it in every single week. So well done you guys from English. Going to film studies, Mrs Moffat says a shout out to Adriana C, Frankie B, Harry W and Charlie S. So well done you guys. Moving on to dance, bit of creative arts there. Dance, Sienna G for completing lots of online dance work and having a really positive attitude. Brogan G for completing also a virtual dance competition last week. Oh my goodness, well done you, Brogan. And just another note from Mrs Oates, can you remind Year 9 dancers to keep checking their emails and the online learning platform, and that she's always available for emails. In fact, I could stop and just say that across the board, guys. Always check your school emails. If there's any problem with school emails, please let school know or let me know. It's hedley@australianetherwood.org. So please let us know if there's any problems whatsoever. Okay. Right, I'm going to go into PE now. And Miss Talbot says congratulations to Daniel A on his excellent sports science work. Very impressive, she's put. And also the following sports science people: Thomas M, Freya M, Amber H, Tristan H, Callum R, Brooke M, Nathan V, Amber D. Brilliant. And I also got from Mr Whiteman, so I'm still on PE, some brilliant stuff, extremely, sorry, I'll just get that again, probably need some glasses on. Has done extremely well, constantly producing good work to a very high standard. So that's Sam B, Frankie B, Holly C, Callum D, Jamie F, Marissa L and Matthew S. So well done you guys from PE. Go on to Spanish now. Habla español. Sí. So there we are. Although Italian's my language, as you well know, everybody, but I do get by in Spanish. Could I please nominate Harry K in Year 9, who's done the work every week since week 1. Well done, Harry K. And you're apparently the only student in the entire Spanish cohort to have done that. So well done you. Also, Georgia L. Thank you from the Spanish team. Right, moving on to geography now from Miss Park. Tia M has produced a folder of work. Now I've got some work in there, so next week I might actually put some photographs on. So well done you. Maths now, guys. Mr Reeves sends out Holly C, Callum D, continued excellent work and effort in maths, really impressive. Mr Feathers sent the following: Tia M, Jamie F, Scarlett T, Thomas M, Lucy P, Harry C, Amelia H. Well done you guys in maths. Keep up the good work. Science. Miss McIntosh says Callum D is being an absolute star. So well done you guys. Miss Milner, Jamie F and Adriana C. Well done again. And that's it for science. So we're on to art and photography. Mrs Ball says that Enya J is her work in art and photography is brilliant, so keep sending it in. And finally, Creative Eye Media, Mr Sterling says, well done, completing work weekly, just doing great, Callum D and Callum R. So there you go. So, a few heads up. Year 9 about fantastic work. Keep up the good work. If you would like to send me, now you know who I am, please email me any concerns, but anything good that you're doing, let me know what we're up to. If you bake a cake, send me a picture of it, why not? All right? So all I'd like to say at this point is I hope you're all well, keeping safe, keeping yourself busy, and yeah, hope this has been something that's good. And not everybody's moaning too much that you've got a new head of year. I know Mr Chet is a hard act to follow, but Mr Chet will be at school. And as I've said many times before, keep smiling always. And as Mr Chet would say, always be kind. Okay, so we will keep up Mr Chet's words. All right, take care, Year 9, and I'll see you next week in another assembly. All right,